If you are a home buyer, real estate professional, a seller, or someone relocating or thinking about relocating, and you want to know how to purchase a home without physically touring that home, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Marla Lewis, broker and owner of Entourage Real Estate, and I'm here to show you exactly how it's done in today's market. In this video, you'll learn how buying a home sight unseen really can work and why more people are doing it now more than ever before. You'll also learn a step-by-step process for buyers so that you can feel more confident and protected. Tips also, I'm going to be giving some tips out for real estate professionals who want to help their clients purchase remotely. And also, I'll leave you with some key information for anyone relocating to a new city or state. So, in 2023, 611,942 people relocated to Texas. Why? Several reasons. Housing, jobs, affordability. We don't have state income tax as some of the other states do. All kinds of reasons. People are relocating. It's no longer a situation where people just stay where they are. They live where they were born and that's where they just live for the rest of their lives. People are always relocating now, okay? That being said, I want to talk to you about the way that it can work for you because we assist clients from all over. We've had clients to relocate from Detroit. We've had clients to relocate from California. We've had clients to relocate from Florida. We've had clients to relocate from Michigan. I mean, you name it, we've had clients to relocate here to Texas. So the first thing that you can do is you can vet the real estate professional that you decide to work with. And what do I mean by that? I mean, does this real estate professional come with a referral? Did someone already work with them? Maybe if you have coworkers that, let's say you're going to be relocating for a job. Several coworkers have already used this person, or maybe perhaps where you live, because I know for myself, we partner with agents all over the country. I know agents all over the country. And so those agents, we partner together. And if we have someone relocating, then we can refer that way as well. Has this person worked with relocating, with relocation clients before? What is their experience with relocation clients? Do they have references? Have they worked with people that need this type of service? Say people that are in the aviation industry, people that are entertainers, people that are professional athletes, military families, all of those types of people and more. Believe it or not, in today's market and in today's era, purchase properties sight unseen, meaning that they have not toured the property. Okay. So vet the agent. Also, sellers, it's important that the agent that you hire to list your home for sale, it's important that they understand the statistics. It's important that they know that people are moving here. It's important that the listing agent understands how to assist the seller when they have a buyer, a buyer who is interested in a property, but they simply have not been able to view that property. So you want to, as a seller, find out from that listing agent when you're interviewing them, find out, hey, how do you handle that? Find out what is it that, what are your thoughts on buyers buying a property sight unseen. Find out, have they worked in that type of situation before? These are key things that you want to find out, because as a seller, when you're trying to get your property sold, most times it does not even matter. You wouldn't care if the person came from Mars. You want to sell your property at the best price and the best terms and situations for you and your family, right? So that being said, sellers, make sure that you know how your listing agent is going to handle that, because it's very likely that it can happen that someone who is not from the local area will purchase your home. Okay. The other thing is, you want to make sure that you communicate very well. Make sure your agent communicates with you very well. That being said, because the agent is there, the agent is viewing property, the agent has to be your eyes and ears, and sometimes even your nose, sniffing things out. So if you are a person that you do not like cigarette smoke, you cannot stand just the least amount of cigarette smoke, that agent, you need to communicate that to that agent so that they will be aware of what your needs and wants are. They are aware that, ooh, you know what? It did kind of have a funny smell though. This may not be the property for you. So communication must be open and understood. Also, technology. Technology is another thing. We want to know if that agent is updated enough with technology, because they have to use technology in order to communicate with you. You're going to be viewing properties via video a lot of time, or FaceTime, or whatever way that you guys choose. You want to ensure that that agent is able to accommodate you being able to see the property, although you cannot physically go and see the property. Now, I'm going to talk to agents as well, because we recently sold a property to a client who was relocating from California. We went, looked at the property, and knew that she would love the property. We wrote the offer, submitted the offer, and upon my initial conversation with the listing agent said, well, the offer looks pretty good. The only thing is the seller might give pushback because your client has not seen the property, because we have to get permission when we're going to video, right, inside of a property. So that being said, there was some concern there. So when I